Hey Bearcats! Get ready to take your exam with confidence using VoiceOver. We've designed a quick demo to show you how to use this text-to-voice tool on a Mac device. Begin by selecting the apple in the upper left corner of the desktop and select System Settings. Select Accessibility, then VoiceOver. Toggle VoiceOver on. Open Lockdown Browser by selecting the magnifying glass in the upper right of your screen, typing Lockdown Browser, and selecting it from the search results. Sign in if prompted. To hear questions, answers, and buttons on the page for VoiceOver, use Control plus Option plus right arrow key to go down the page, or Control plus Option plus left arrow to go up the page. Navigate to courses in the menu on the left side of the screen. Select the course for the exam, then select the exam to begin taking it. When you complete the exam, select Save and Submit. If you have any questions, Services for Students with Disabilities are here to help you at 936-294-3512 or disability@shsu.edu.